a bad habit. This is a bad habit. I need to stop. I am not proud of myself. It's a bad habit. I'm not proud. I need to stop. You heard me say it's a bad habit. You heard me say I'm not proud. You heard me say I need to stop. That being said, if you have an accent that I find charming, I will become you. I can't help it. I can't help myself. I will parrot back and repeat every single thing you say. I'm like Hillary Clinton campaigning in a black church in 2016, okay? I'm like, oh Lord, I got a hot stuff in my bag, flag, hallelujah, renegade. Now keep that in mind when I tell you this next story, okay? Well, I do want to know, I want to get a gauge of the room, find out how you all know about me. How many of you found out about me through my podcast, Sibling Rivalry? Okay. Who found out about me through maybe Dungeons and Drag Queens? The show We're Here? Okay, and I did this one TV show, RuPaul's Drag Race. Wow, that is never the most popular answer in New Orleans. That is crazy. Well, I have some new fans and enemies because some of you know I was recently on a TV show called The Traitors. Yes. And listen, if you know me, you know, bitch, I'm delusional, okay? When they called me, I said, baby, clear the calendar, mama's not coming home. I said, baby, it's already won. I'm good, clear the calendar. I walked in that castle like, baby, you can't banish the dog. Turns out they can. And they did, yeah, they did. 4 episodes, first traitor out. They got me good, honey. So I ended up with a lot of spare time on my hands, okay? And, you know, I had all the spare time, and I thought to myself, I never get to be a tourist, ever. Like, when I'm working, I'm always in and out. Like, even here, I didn't even get to do all the fun. This is my first time in New Orleans. I didn't get to do any of the fun stuff. Thank you. I never get to, like, visit. I'm always in and out. I said, I'm going to be a tourist. I'm going to bounce around Europe. I went to, like, Barcelona. I went to Copenhagen. I went all over, like, bouncing all around Europe. And then I ended up in Belfast, in Ireland. I don't know if y'all know Belfast. And when I got in the car, I was, like, so tired. I had been bouncing all around. I said to the driver, I said, oh, my God, how far do you think we are from the hotel? He goes, that's an hour. And I said, oh. My God, I love your accent. It is so charming. What's your name? He goes, Bagel. I said, Bagel? He said, aye, Bagel. I'm excited because I've never met a bagel. Okay, this is my first bagel ever. I said, Bagel, I love that name. Oh, thank you. I said, it's pretty unique. I've never heard the name Bagel. Oh, it's not unique at all. You have never heard the name Bagel. I said, babe, I have never heard the name Bagel. Is that like, is that Gaelic? No, it's not Gaelic. It's a bit of a Christian name. I said, Bagel is a Christian name? He goes, aye. I said, Bagel, I'm sorry. Can you spell that for me? You gotta spell this. He goes, happy to spell it for ya. M-I-C-H-A. I said, Michael? Your name is Michael. To which he responded, aye, Bagel. I said, Bagel, drive the car.